Alright boys, we got a new project build. I'm gonna keep it simple for now. This is I'm not sure the year, but it's a 90cc Polaris Outlaw. Somebody gave it to me, said it wasn't, it was running whenever they parked it, they could never get it to start again. I got it, I took it all apart. The carburetor was plugged, the battery was dead, there's some wiring issues, but I was able to kickstart it, and the motor would run, but it would not move. Ended up taking the torque converter apart. It was full of water, that's why it wouldn't go forward. I took the transmission side apart too, where it has a forward and reverse gear. Got that fixed up. Need to clean up some rust spots, a lot of grime from the year. Gonna repaint the frame. There's a crack on the frame right here. I need to weld that. Brakes don't work, and I need a new chain. Other than they got some cracks on the plastics, but I'm just gonna leave the plastics alone. Tires are decent. This tire leaks, and the lights don't work. But other than that, looking pretty decent. I think I'm gonna keep it as stock for now. Let my youngest see if he wants to drive it around. If he decides that, he doesn't want to drive it around, he's not very interested in four-wheelers and go-karts and stuff, but I'm going to give him a chance to see if he's interested in driving this because it's so little power. If he is interested, then he can have it. If not, and he says he has no interest in doing it, then I'm going to make this into my four-wheeler. And because I don't have a four-wheeler, I'm more of a two-wheel person. But I mean, I got the go-karts, but they're only one seat. But I'm going to take this out and put a bigger motor. I was thinking about the easiest thing to do would be a 125. I've always wanted to order one of those Chinese 125s off of Amazon. This would be a very good candidate for that. I mean, I think I would just weld some motor brackets and it would fit up right here perfectly. Second option is to put a 150 in it, which I think it would be tight. But a 150 would be, I mean, that would be fun. Just the motors I saw, it's hard to find CDIs and wiring harnesses. Like, none of them come with it. I just want to have all the parts that I know go with it, so I know I got the right parts. Third option is to try and put like a 250 in it, which then I would have to do some re-welding because I know it's not going to fit. So I'm kind of leaning away from that. I don't know. We'll see. And the brakes don't work. I have to figure out what's going on with those brakes, which I'm about to do. But that is the new project. I'll keep y'all updated on it. XR still doing good. Still chugging along. Go-kart still doing good. I had a little bit of belt trouble with it, but I think we got that fixed. 2DO. We just came back from a trip with this. This ripped the trails and still doing really good. No troubles with this. The Ghost This go-kart's doing really well. I have no troubles other than a low tire. I took the turbo off of it. I'm not running the turbo anymore. And the CRF is doing fantastic. Still trying to learn how to wheelie this thing. It's a monster to wheelie. I'm still not that good at it. And I honestly should put in more practice than I've been putting in. But it's kind of cold right now. But I mean, she did awesome on the trails. It was a lot to handle on the trails, especially trying to go slow with the other guys. It was hard, but we made it happen. But I'll keep y'all updated. Hopefully the wind's not too bad for y'all. But just wanted to talk a little bit about this bike. I didn't film any of the rebuild of this bike, but just kind of wanted to touch base on it in case anybody was interested. I should have already shown some clips of what it looked like before I rebuilt it. Before, I didn't know what plan I had for this frame. It's a Polaris Outlaw 90, the sports. The way it kind of looks like more of a sporty bike. 90cc motor. Whenever I got it, it did not start at all, not even kickstart. The work I've done to it was a decent amount. I tore the motor out of the bike, cleaned the carburetor, flushed all the fluids, transmission didn't work, got the transmission working, replaced the chain, brakes didn't work, front and rear, fixed that. Still the original tires, but I'm gonna eventually upgrade them. Just they got enough knob on them for now, you know. But I do eventually want to replace them and all the wheel bearings and everything. But I kind of wanted to get it set up to see what I wanted to do with this. I thought this motor, oh, and also sanded the whole frame and motor and everything down and repainted it. And I think it's dirty right now because we were ripping it, but I think it looks awesome. I really think it looks good. I'm happy with how it came out. It's got some old plastics on it that are all cracked up, but the plastics for this bike are ridiculously expensive, and I'm not buying new plastics. Now, I do want to get some new shocks. The front shocks are not that bad, but the rear shock, riding it, we actually blew that one out. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw the same shocks that I put on my go-kart on here and go with all new shocks. Welded the swing arm where it was cracked. That's holding up. None of the electrical works. I don't have a battery in it. I just kick started and it works perfectly fine. I do eventually I would like to get the battery up and going, but I don't even have a battery in it right now. But oh, the seat doesn't latch. The seat's broken, but it still holds. I might come up with a latch. I'm not buying a whole new seat for it. Forward and reverse works okay. It's kind of clunky, and sorry for the wind. Hopefully y'all can hear me, but I would like to get the battery fixed to have headlights on this thing. That way if we want to do night trail riding or something, we could. But I was really concerned about the power of this 90cc being too little. It's actually a ripper. Like, I'm gonna do a little run on it. I need to get a top speed test. I haven't done that yet, but this thing rips way faster than I thought a 90cc would be. Like, it's some high RPMs. And the crazy thing about this bike is that it has like a torque converter, like a go-kart in it. It's crazy. It's basically a go-kart. But I wanted to rip the motor out, go with a 125cc, one of those Chinese ones off of Amazon. But my kid really likes this bike, and I think for now it's gonna stay as it is until he decides he wants a little bit more power or something, or doesn't want to continue driving it or I get something else, and then I'll put a 125 in it, because I'd love to do one of those builds. I've been wanting to do it. Got a cool FMF on this thing too. That's pretty neat. All painted in the back, looking good. I mean, for a kid, man, this would be a fun trail ripper. Let me get it started up, and we'll go rip around a little bit and I'll show you what it's got. Alright, we're on the bike, and it's actually a decent sized bike. Like, with me on it in the cockpit, I mean, I have room. I'm not all the way to the back. I fit on here with my kid. Oh, and also I don't have the key for it, so I had to hot wire it. I was planning on getting another one whenever I get the electrical and everything all sorted out and my lights all working all nice. I was kind of thinking about putting underglow on it. I don't know, that might be kind of dumb, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what this thing turns into. But stock, dude, it's not nearly as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's pretty sick for a kid's bike. I mean, just about the only thing it really needs is get the electrical sorted out, which I don't even know if it works at all. I didn't even attempt it. So get that sorted out, new tires, new shocks. That's pretty much it. Ripping around, having fun. It's time to go have fun. Now the 90cc does not accelerate fast, but it gets up to way faster than I want my kid going. So right now it's currently only a kickstart, which it starts up nice. Now that the carburetor's clean, like doing it while I'm sitting down, y'all probably won't be able to hear me, but we'll do a little speed pass. Yeah, that was pinned. Yeah, it's no speed demon, but for like a little kid quad, a little yard ripper or a trail ripper, it's not bad. And it's air cooled, so it will overheat if you let it sit here too long. But I kind of like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I mean, it's pretty fun for what it is. Thanks for watching. Like and sub. Thank you for the support. I'm gonna post another video soon. I've been going through a bunch of personal stuff and I haven't had a whole lot of time to make some videos, but I've kind of been tinkering with this behind the scenes. I have another build going on that hopefully is going to be pretty sick. We'll see how that turns out. I don't want to give it away, but it is not gas powered. Ha.